Hello po and welcome po sa first ever episode.
First ever.
First ever episode ng Matsuri Podcast. Excited po kami dahil dito po namin ipapakita. Ito yung show na pag-uusapan natin lahat, no? Ng tungkol sa Japanese and Filipino festival culture. Andyan po ang cosplay, anime, at of course ang otaku lifestyle.
Otaku lifestyle.
Oo, ako po ang inyong host, Israel Buenaobra. Kasama ko syempre si...
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ako si Yuki, komedyanteng Hapon, galing sa Japan. Mula nang dumating ako sa Pilipinas, mahigit 7 na taong ang nakalipas. Dati nakikitira ako sa Tondo, 15 kasama kong pamilya. Sa Pilipinas, maganda kasi sa Pilipinas ay maraming mabait na tao.
First episode kasi, no?
Yeah. First
Kaya
episode. Siyempre, buong pakilala ko.
buong pakilala, Yuki!
Hello.
Dito po kami ni Yuki kasi sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, itong ginagawa naming podcast na to, siyempre nakadirekta siya para sa yearly big festival, big event, ang Matsuri event na nangyayari last year
Last year.
sa Rizal Park and mangyayari uli ngayon this year, this April. And kami ni Yuki, nakakasama na po namin yung mga producers ng Matsuri.
Matsuri, opo.
Na Matsuri event na yan. Oo. Noon pa, nung maliliit na events pa lang yung pinoproduce nila, Yuki, malala mo yun?
Yung Otakyut event.
Otakyut event. So, doon namin sila kilala, naging kaibigan namin sila. And then eventually po, kami na rin nag-host ng malalaki nilang events. Yes.
May racket.
Ang hirap kumuha ng mga pogi na host, sabi ganun. Kaya kayo ang kinuha namin. Kasi
Dire-diretso lang. Wala silang choice.
wala silang choice.
Dire-diretso lang.
Kaya ipakilala natin Yuki ang ating mga first ever guest sa show.
Ay.
Na producers din natin sa show. At sila rin yung mga, kumbaga yung may idea tong Matsuri event na to.
Rizal Park.
Oo. So pakilala muna natin syempre si
Kensan
Kensan
and
Yusa.
Yusa. Japanese guest.
Oo. So ito po, bibigyan namin kayo ng konting backgrounder lang.
So, ngayon,
Disclaimer muna, pare. Mag-uusap tayo dito. Makakarinig po kayo ng 3 lengguwahe.
Hindi, Japanese lang. Kasi mas maraming Japanese ngayon. Kaya majority. So, Japanese だな。そうですよね。じゃあ今日日本語で、はい。
今日は日本語でやりましょう。
はい。日本人の方が多いんで。
Hello, immigration.
Ano
May report lang po ako sana dito.
Pwede mo sabihin. Ano problema natin? Walang problema.
Makakarinig sila ng Tagalog, ng Japanese, ng English.
Kasi hindi ako marunong mag-English.
Hindi ka marunong mag-English.
Yes.
Ang gusto mo, Japanese, Tagalog. Ako, kaya kong mag-English at Tagalog. Hindi ako alam ang Japanese.
Tapos
Si Kensan,
English and Japanese.
English and Japanese.
English
And Japanese.
So,
bahala na. Gagawin natin dito. First of all, we would like to know the background behind the event, Matsuri. Yeah. First of you started doing projects before events under the name Otakyut. What was Otakyut?
Otaku.
Otakyut is we founded in 2019 as we're promoting the event, Japanese culture. And we started as a very small event. I remember our first event is around 50 people
50
came
people,
our
no?
event.
Yeah.
That is 2019. But we're talking about for the future on 2019. We want to gather the 10,000 people in Rizal Park. We're talking about that already. And sadly, pandemic came, so our project delayed.
Yeah.
And finally, I remember 2024, around August, suddenly Yu-san told me, this is the time to break
Big event.
big event in
10,000.
Rizal Park because we already had the experience. So we have a team also. Then I said yes. And finally we did on 2025 on May. We gathered the 25,000 attendance to promote the Japanese culture, and also that is we believe it's good for relationship between the Philippines and Japan to know each other.
Yes.
That is our target.
Oo. Kasi yun, yung Yuki, yung pinaka intersection na gustong-gusto nating makita dun is yung Japanese culture na kasamang anime, cosplay, otaku. And yun din yung gusto ng mga Pinoy.
Oo.
Di ba? Yun yung intersection.
Marami
kumbaga.
din gusto ng Pinoy na
Oo,
yung
sobra.
otaku culture.
So, ang una nating nakilala, just for the benefit lang ng mga listeners natin, ng mga nanonood, uh, we knew Yusan first. We met him first actually. Diba una natin siya nakilala?
Bago ni Ken-san.
Oh, Yusan, he had a computer, is it computer shop?
VR.
VR is
Ang
virtual
cafe?
reality
Virtual
cafe.
reality.
Saan na yan, Yoki?
Malapit sa Lasal.
Lasal?
De Lasal.
Oo.
Anong station ka?
Cruz.
Vito Cruz.
Vito Cruz.
Vito Cruz.
So ako, kami ni Yuki noon, si Yuki, nakilala niya si Yusan. Ako naman, very curious.
Yung VR.
Very curious ako. Ano ba yung VR? Nakikita ko lang dati sa YouTube Hindi ko alam Sinama mo ako, sabi niya puntahan, in-invite tayo ni Yusan. So you invited us. You showed us. How many games did you have there before?
Nang kod mo siya.
10 to 20.
10 to 20
title.
titles. And you have to put in the VR headset and you experience.
Meron yung horror.
Oh,
Meron din parang nakakatakot.
One of the
Iba.
first things that I experienced, Yusan, made me walk yung plank. Yung tabla. Pinalakad niya ako sa tabla. So akala ko, anong game to? Nung pinasuot niya yung VR, para akong nasa edge ng skyscraper. Oh, muntik po ako, na-atake ako ng once noon. Yun yung una ko.
Parang tapos niloloko ni Yusan. Parang
tutulog
electric fan.
Oo.
Parang kunyari may hangin.
Sisimulate niya yung hangin sa taas ng building. May electric fan pala siya tinututok sa akin. Hindi ko alam.
May hangin pa.
Oo.
May hangin pa.
Nangyari. So, nakaganon ako. And then, pag titingin ka talaga sa baba, akala mo talaga ang lalim. So, doon namin nakilala
Virtual
siya. Ako yun yung
reality.
una kong experience with Yusan noon.
Bagong Otakyut, di ba?
Bago Otakyut. Bago pa nangyari ito. Di ba? So, Yusan, how did you meet first with Ken-san?
Ken-san.
Yeah.
After VR Cafe, I decided to close that shop
Mhm.
because of the I couldn't get the beneficial for that business. So I tried to do another business in mall.
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 Okay.
Then we are looking for the person who can introduce to me the mall owner.
Mhm.
Then our same friend introduced Ken-san to me. It's a Laperal Mall. Already he has the Japanese restaurant, the ground floor.
Inside Lateral, yes.
Inside Laperal. But first time, just I tried to do alone
Mhm.
to open the shop in Laperal, but I tried to invite Ken-san to make a partnership with me.
Partner, yeah.
Oo nga, parang may PR cafe din para sa loob ng
Lateral,
Laperal.
dati.
Parang arcade, parang yung crow machine,
Mhm.
iba-iba. Parang game center sa Japan.
Game center.
Style game center sa Japan.
Update from VR Cafe.
Mhm.
Oo nga.
The name is
Meron
Otaku.
pala.
Otakyut. So, the Otakyut name came from where? From you? You, him?
Yeah.
Ken-san.
Okay, saan na
Why,
yun?
why Otakyut? What is Otakyut?
We just combine the two words, otaku and cute.
Cute.
Otaku cute.
Oh,
Otaku
okay.
cute. Oh.
Name.
Tama, yung cute.
Catchy.
Very catchy. Otakyut is
Cute.
very catchy actually. At ang cute sa Japanese ay
Kawaii.
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 Pero hindi mo dapat sabihin kawaii, hindi. Kawaii.
Hindi, pwede din.
Kawaii. Hindi pwede ganun. Parang kinata.
Pwede din kawaii.
Pwede ba ganun? Nakakatakot
Kawaii.
yan.
Pwede.
Nakakatakot yan. Parang
Pwede.
creepy yan. Koi.
Kawaii.
Oy,
Kore kawaii.
yung baby mo, very kawaii.
Kawaii daw.
Kawaii.
Pwede.
Kawaii.
Pwede din kawaii. Hindi kailangan anime voice.
Okay. So, you met, and then how long did it take you guys to plan for Otakyut events? Instantly after you became friends, let's do events? Is it?
Actually, we don't have a plan to be
Doing events?
frequency. First purpose to organize the event to
Mhm.
promote that shop.
Galing.
Mm.
Yun
That's why first our event we don't have a stage, we don't have any program.
Mhm.
Just invite the ambassador and some cosplayers and some
Mhm.
people then to playing our game.
Hmm.
And I remember I think
Galing
one of our staff was some volunteer
Mhm.
give us idea. Maybe we better organize some event, even
Mhm.
small event with stage to promote more. And I think that's the time we did first event with stage Rafael.
Yes.
Then you was the one
うん。
was the host already,
Mm.
right? I
Yes.
think around 150 people.
Came, yes. So, first time nun. Sa baba pa yung stage nun.
おー
Diba? Yung ground floor stage.
あ、そうだっ
Oh.
た
Baba.
っけそっか
Di
そっ
ba?
か
Yeah.
Hindi sa taas? Ano?
Second
No,
yun.
Second, yeah.
Second event yun.
Ah.
Yuki, always drinking. He cannot remember.
Alala.
Meron yun.
下だっ
nun.
たか。あ、そっか、さばば
So the first yung objective was to promote the games.
Yeah.
Okay, and then
So-
eventually you had ambassadors doing cosplay, and then event
Oo nga.
na.
Mm.
Doon din,
Galing.
yung shop ni Yusan din. Parang rental na yung costume.
Yeah,
Oo
oo.
nga, maraming rental. Oo
Ang
nga,
galing.
costume.
Nagtugma. Paano mo sabihin niya? Nagtugma. Parang,
Tugma.
parang bang coincidence.
Mm.
Like,
Match.
yes,
Match.
nag-match. Yes,
Nagma-match.
nag-match na yung product ninyo.
Tapos yung
Tapos
event na
yung
cosplay.
It's like a perfect match on how to promote it.
Oo nga, kaya kahit yung hindi ka dala ng costume, pwedeng hiramin doon eh.
Pwede kang,
Oo.
yung ibang tao.
Oo, ibang tao.
Pag ako, hindi pwede.
Oo, walang size.
Walang size.
Walang size.
Walang size ang-
Sayang.
Oo, guys, walang size.
Oo.
Well, you can be small wrestler cosplay.
Small-
Just take off your
Oh.
t-shirts.
Oh.
That's enough.
Sumo-
Tali lang. Isang
Tali.
tali lang.
Low cost cosplay.
Oo.
Yes, no shoes, no nothing, no? Low cost cosplay.
Isang tali.
Oo, brief lang at saka
Brief.
tali. Maglalampin lang ako.
Oo.
Lampin.
Yun lang.
Lampin. Okay. So, again, you discussed of having that dream of 10,000 people in Luneta.
Mm.
And now you did it last year with 25,000 people. So, what's next?
Next na goal.
Yeah.
Of course, our
Of course.
final goal is 100,000.
Oh,
100,000.
times 10.
100,000.
Pero yung last year, 25 kaya, times 5.
Times
4.
Oo. So, pwede, no? Pwede, tingin
So
ko
this
pwede.
year, sana?
Maybe
今年
this year we target 50.
50, unti-unti.
Hopefully,
Unti-unti.
hopefully.
Hopefully.
O, diba?
Doble-doble.
What do you think is the promise of the market here in the Philippines? Is it growing in terms of cosplay, anime?
Actually,
Yeah.
it's really growing
Mhm.
because now, honestly, in our generation, I'm
Mhm.
41 years old now. I think people has an image for Japan. It's more technology, like a car or a
Yes. Oh.
But now, younger generation have an image for Japan. It's anime, gaming,
Cosplay,
Mm.
otaku.
more so. So meaning it's really people like our culture for the anime gaming. It's really growing up, not only the Philippines, all over the world.
Ang tawag namin, subculture.
Subculture. Oh.
Hindi main culture. Subculture.
sub.
Pero
Yes,
ngayon, parang
yan.
nagiging main culture na.
Oo, naging
Dati parang
mainstream na siya.
subculture.
Oo.
Dati yung parang yung kotse, ganun, main culture. Tapos yung anime, otaku, subculture. Pero ngayon, parang
So, ang otaku lifestyle is subculture siya.
dati. Pero
Oo.
ngayon, parang main na.
Oo.
Main
Naging
culture
popular na eh.
Popular na
Diba?
sobra.
Kaya ayun, okay. Maganda yung ganyan. Gusto kong tanong lang, since fans kayo ng ganyan, events ng cosplay, you're fans of cosplay, anime na. Growing up, what is your favorite anime? Favorite anime?
Honestly, since I'm childhood, my favorite is Dragon Ball.
Dragon Ball.
Parang panahon namin.
Mm.
Dragon Ball.
Majin Buu? Ano? What's your favorite character in
Oh,
Dragon Ball? Majin Buu?
Majin Buu.
Okay. I need.
Oo nga, Dragon Ball,
Pink.
pinakasikat.
How about you, San?
Kasi mas
Favorite?
bata siya eh.
Also, I like Dragon Ball, but my favorite is Naruto.
Naruto.
Bago siya.
Oo. Yung ganun yung takbo, di ba? Tama
Oo,
ba ako?
ninja.
Ninja.
Ninja sila.
Oo. Naruto. Anong name lang ba yun? Walang ibig sabihin yung Naruto?
Naruto, yung totoong Naruto, may isang pagkain sa Japan. Parang kasama yung ramen. Parang yung ikot
Yung
Fish
parang fish
Parang
cake.
fish
Okay.
yung Naruto.
Naruto. ang
Galing
tawag
sa-
doon.
Yung
Kasi hindi siya
yung dagat. Dagat
oo,
na
whirlpool.
Oo.
Kasi akala ko kasi hindi siya hilaw. Naruto siya.
Naruto.
Naruto siya.
Yun.
Naruto siya. Ito hiraw to.
Hindi.
Naruto yan. Racist ba? Racist ba, guys?
Yung
Naruto.
Una, ganito na lang.
Yung nandito niya.
Oo, yung ikot.
Oo, ikot ng
Ikot.
whirlpool. Okay, gets.
Naruto.
Favorite.
まあ、ドラゴンボールかなんだろうな。ano kaya? Pero Ghost Fighter din. Ghost
Ghost
Fighter.
Fighter.
Yu Yu Hakusho. Yu Yu
Mm.
Hakusho. Yun na parang panahon ko.
Yung bang Ghost Fighter na title na anong ibig sabihin yung Yu Yu Hakusho dun sa
Wala eh.
Japan?
Walang Yu Yu
Name
Hakusho.
yun?
Name yun.
Yu. Parang yung, pero yung kanji na Yu, parang ghost.
Yeah.
Mm.
Ghost player.
Hakusho, parang story, ganun.
So,
Kwento.
hindi talaga Ghost Fighter ang
Hindi.
translation
Walang
niya?
fighter.
Wala.
Ghost
Oo.
meron, pero yung fighter, wala.
Ah,
Parang kwentong multo, ganun.
Karaulo pala mga Pilipino mag-translate eh.
Yun kasi
Oh.
kahit pangalan, iba-iba eh. Yujin, wala. Yusuke sa Japan.
Yusuke ang mga niya.
Yusuke, ano pa ba? Kurama, Hiei, talagang Vincent, walang Vincent.
Pangit kasing gawin yung name. The name here, you import that name Yusuke here in the Philippines.
Mas okay.
It's like Yoshi. It's like Yoshi eh.
Yusuke.
It sounds like Yoshi.
Oh.
So
that's
they
why.
might like Yoshi before in Mario
Meron common
Brothers,
name,
'di ba?
Yoshi.
Yoshi, they always tease that na pag Yoshi, pag sisigarilyo. Oh, Yoshi ka.
That's why.
Yun yung dati. So
Yujin na lang.
I understand why they have to translate that.
Pero okay, wag ka mag-alala. Majin Buu pa rin.
Imagine
Kahit sa Japan, Majin Buu pa rin.
Imagine po pa rin.
Alam namin.
Oh,
Majin Buu pa rin.
imagine, does it mean like fat? No? Just name.
Pero parang yung Buu, parang baboy, ganun.
Buu.
Kasi yung tunog ng baboy, Buu, 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 Buu.
Buta.
Buta
is pork.
Baboy.
Oo, di ba?
Oh. Kaya parang
Why are you laughing, Yusan?
Nothing.
Majin Buu.
Di, ganun. Pero ang bu kasi sa ibang culture, iba eh.
Ano?
Ang bu. Di ba, pag sa mga Black Americans, lalo na, ang bu, tawag nila parang baby,
Hindi. Sa
shota,
Japan.
jowa, gano'n. oy.
Hindi
Hey,
naman
boo,
diretso
what's
sa
up,
baboy,
boo?
pero
Ganun.
parang narinig namin, alam
Oo.
namin, parang baboy na
Pag ganun.
pakinggan.
Huwag natin ulit-ulitin yung baboy na word. Ako, paborito ko talaga, all-time Astro Boy, pare.
Astro Boy.
Astro Boy, man.
It's
Lagi
Astro
kong,
Boy.
lagi kong, sorry,
lumang tao.
lumang tao. I don't know, after that, I was not a fan of anime anymore.
Oh.
Parang ganun, I didn't have
How old
enough,
are you?
I'm 46.
Then Astro Boy?
Yeah.
Mas matanda sa
oh,
moto.
and then kasi the
Parang
time
delay,
it was
may delay na.
imported here in the Philippines during
Maybe it's not your age, 46?
Yeah.
66 ah.
Oh.
yes, I was in World War II. Talaga, hindi, alam ko matagal na Astro Boy sa
Matagal
Japan.
na.
Oo.
Sobrang
Kaya
tagal.
meron akong isang may memorable episode in Astro Boy. I think Astro Boy was like 100,000 horsepower. That was the measurement of his power. And then he had this big giant robot na 1 million horsepower yung
Hindi ko alam.
kalaban niya, pare. And then he cannot defeat the robot. And then I think one of his friends died because of he had a friend die, and then he had revenge. He opened a small opening in the robot, entered, and then destroyed it from the inside. And then the robot came back to life. Naging friends sila, pare. Naging friends. They became friends because they battled a robot with 2 heads. 2 million horsepower.
Ngayon ko lang
pare.
nalamang, yung pwede sa ibang bansa, gagamitin para sa horsepower.
Horsepower yung
Naintindihan mo? Yung ginagamit pa rin?
Yes.
Akala ko sa Japan lang.
Oh,
Bariki, di ba? Bariki.
horsepower.
Bakit ka parehas kaya?
Standard.
Hindi baboy power.
Hindi.
Hindi pwede. Zebra power, wala. Bakit horsepower pa yun? Kahit sa ibang bansa?
Kung Pilipinas,
Standard.
hindi, ang horsepower kasi is naggamit sa West.
world.
Sa Japan din, diretso eh.
Oo.
Yung bariki, yung horsepower.
Ano yun? Influence yun ng Western culture sa inyo. American.
So, galing doon.
Galing
Sa
ng
Japan
American,
din, parang
oo.
papalit lang.
Horsepower.
Kung sa Japan lang,
kung
ginagamit.
kung hayop ang pagbabasihan sa Pilipinas, kalabaw.
Oo.
Carabao power.
Carabao
Kasi that's the
power.
national national
Hayop,
animal.
Oh.
How many Carabao power? Maybe 1.5 because the other one is tamad. half lang. Anong national hayop sa Japan?
Animal?
Yes.
日本猿じゃないな。
So, I know you have a national bird. Bird?
Yeah,
Yeah,
鶴。
Anong national bird ng
クラ
Japan?
クランは白鳥だ。
Crow?
えー
Ano hindi?
クローバーやん。
Ano?
記事説もありますよね。
いや、白鳥でしょ。
Magpie?
鶴でしょ。
あ
ごめんなさい
鶴
でしょ。
Suro? Ano?
Suro.
Suro.
は
Parang mahabang leeg.
Crane?
Crane.
Parang crane.
Crane.
Ah,
Okay, crane.
Yata.
Okay. Dito, dati, Maya.
Mm, Maya.
It became the Philippine
Agila.
Eagle. Oo.
Agila na.
Oh. Pero we're more Maya than
Parang
Eagle.
hayop wala. Hayop wala
And
yata.
then the animal, yun na.
Kalabaw sa Pilipinas. Sa Japan parang wala.
Philippines kasi, medyo siraulo kami. We have bird is an animal, fish is an animal, pero we have national bird, national fish. Diba? Bangus.
Lapu-lapu.
Ba-
Hindi
Yeah,
lapu-lapu pala.
Ay, hindi, wait. Bangus.
Bangus pala.
Bangus, di ba?
Bangus yata. Hindi
Bangus.
lapu-lapu
Yeah,
yata.
Lapu-lapu kasi yung hero. First
Oo.
hero. Anyway, kasi we have national animal.
Yung national,
Kalabaw.
hindi pwedeng tarsier.
Hindi ko nga
Parang
rin
sa
alam.
Pilipinas. Parang Pilipinas na
Oo.
parang present. The
Mas-
present.
Mas tarsier?
Oo.
Sige nga,
Kaysa
yung
kalabaw.
explain mo nga.
Kaysa sa kalabaw.
Gusto ko malaman ng mga viewers natin.
Kasi parang special, di ba?
Oo,
Tarsier.
special.
Oo. Kalabaw, kahit sa mga Southeast
Meron,
Asia,
oo.
yung Vietnam,
Yes,
Thailand, baka meron din.
Water buffalo. Oo. Pero ang tarsier kasi,
Parang sa
parang
Pilipinas.
ganyan lang siya. Tapos laging tulog ng tulog. Parang Pilipino.
Oo, yun, pwede.
Oo, saka tingin
So,
lang.
siya na lang.
Parang nagchichismis na gano'n. Oo,
Oo.
marites, ganyan.
Oo.
Yan po
Siya na.
si Yuki po nagsabi nun.
Hindi ako nagsabi. Hindi ako nagsabi.
So maganda tong simulan natin ng Matsuri podcast. Napag-usapan natin yung Matsuri Festival. And magkakaroon tayo ng mga guests na like for example yung mga staff na pag-uusapan nila yung challenges na pag-organize. And I'm sure maraming challenges sa ating mga producers, ano. What do you hope to happen if more than the 100,000 attendees? What do you want to see in the future Matsuri events?
You mean contents? Or-
Content, maybe? What do you have anything in surprise to offer? What do you plan to have?
Mm,
I was surprised from last year. I-share ko lang. I was surprised that part of the culture, we had cars drifting in the event. Talagang nag-ano sila, pakita
Drift,
sila ng
drift.
drifting.
Oo.
Ano sila. So, part din yun ng Japanese culture, di ba?
Ah, talaga?
Yeah,
Drift?
yeah, drifting in Japanese
Eh,
culture.
May isang malaking race track sa Japan na drifting lang ang ginagawa.
Track?
Yes.
Oh?
Malaki. I don't know where, pero nakita ko yun somewhere na merong ganun.
Actually, ordinary our event is entertainment event, but the
Mhm.
Matsuri we expand all of the Japanese culture.
Mhm.
So of course food
Mm.
and some traditional. Last year we invited the martial arts,
Martial arts.
performer,
Judo.
judo, and but this year I don't know you accept it, but it's one of our culture.
Mhm.
Porno, AV.
Wala?
So we will invite
Oh,
AVs.
maraming interesting.
Yes, it's part of the culture, pare. Oh,
Maraming
yeah.
interesado.
So we will have AV
Star.
Idol.
idols to
Star.
come over and
Yeah.
Sana,
meet and
sana.
meet and greet.
Mm.
Oh, kung nandun ka, panurin ko. Nandun na.
Okay, meet and greet naman. Okay.
Nandun ka.
Interesting. Very interesting, ha, guys? AV idols.
Idol.
Ganda yan, pare. Part ng culture yun. Yun. So, guys, would you like to say anyone to everyone watching, listening regarding our next event? We'd like to invite them. Paano? Go.
Yeah, next event also, of course, our target is 50,000, over 50,000 attendees, but it's not our goal. Our goal is like going beyond the Philippines, not only Philippines, then become like global
Oh, nice.
Matsuri in Vietnam.
movement.
Ganun.
The Matsuri, based on Matsuri. Then even our final dream is even we no longer here, someone who has same passion, they carry on the Matsuri
They continue with the
in this world.
Yes.
It's our final goal. So we
Ang
step
ganda.
by step.
Yeah. So hopefully we can see other Matsuri events in Vietnam,
Thailand.
Thailand,
Yeah, like that.
Singapore,
Mas-
Malaysia,
oo,
diba?
pwede.
Their brand of festival.
Mm.
Matsuri.
Ganda.
So, galing pare. Sana makakita rin sila ng mga host na pogi doon sa Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, Singapore.
Sana.
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 We hope you can also find hosts there
Together.
that are good looking like us. But if you cannot find, we are always here.
Yes.
Kahit sa Vietnam.
I don't know. Hindi, maganda yan, pare. Maganda yan. Ako, man, congrats. Yusan, Ken-san, congrats. In advance also in our next event in
Sa
April.
April.
So lahat, if you are watching this, I think tickets are now going on sale. Just go to the Matsuri Facebook page. Hanapin nyo lang po, type nyo Matsuri in Manila. Tama? And
Matsuri
then,
Manila.
Otaku page sa FB. Type nyo lang, OTA, cute. CUTE. So, andun yung mga details on how to get tickets for this big event na mangyayari this April. Masaya to, pare.
Yeah.
Masaya to.
Sana 50,000.
50,000.
15,000 baboy power. Sana. 50,000.
Nag-aanap po kami ng bagong host.
Ako pa rin.
Yoki, may tuturo ang Japanese word?
Japanese word.
Oo.
Turuan ko sa inyo.
Maganda.
Sige.
Nasabi na natin kanina yung baboy.
Sige,
Yung
baboy na lang.
baboy na hayop,
Buta.
buta pa rin.
buta. Tapos yung karne, buta, niku. Niku, karne. pork. Buta, niku.
Buta niku.
Pero yung pig mismo, baboy
Buta.
mismo, buta.
Buta niku.
Buta o buta niku. Yung pagkain, buta niku. Pagbuhay, buta.
Ang buta naman sa Pilipinas, alam ko, narinig ko yan, parang butata, ganon. Tinatapa. Zero. Zero, di ba? Zero. Buta.
Talaga?
Oo.
Bakit?
Hindi ko rin alam kung saan nanggaling yung word na yun, pero buta, zero. Parang,
Pwedeng countdown? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Buta.
Wala. Wala.
Really?
Parang sports, in sports. Like for example, you score 10 points and then my score 0, 10.
Pero,
Buta.
sa Japan din, pag yung poker, tapos walang parang parehas, buta.
Buta.
Parang walang
nothing, di ba?
parehas.
Zero.
Oh,
Yeah.
Parang talo,
Same
buta.
Same context. Tapos yung butata naman, the word butata, it's like yung basketball. When you block a shot, tapal. Butata.
Butata.
They use it to tease para ganon. So,
Butata.
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 So, we learned a new word.
Yeah.
Buta at saka butanico.
Butaniku.
Oo, pare.
Karne.
Thank you very much.
Salamat.
Kensan, Yusan, congrats. Good luck sa lahat. Good luck sa atin kasi we're doing this out of passion, syempre, and the goal of spreading yung Japanese festival culture then all over the world, not just in the Philippines. So, maraming salamat mga pare ko.
Yeah.
Yuki.
Si Japanese ending, 337拍子よーありがとうございます。
Bye-bye po. See you.
ありがとう。
All right. And we're done.